Here are 3 different railing materials. Let's see which one is best for you and let's talk about it. So when it comes to selecting the right railing material for your railing, we're gonna have to ask a couple of very important questions. What we're gonna have to know is whether you're gonna be using the railing inside or outside. We're gonna need to know what state you're in. That way we know that your railing is durable enough for your weather. So when it comes to different materials, we have steel tubing, aluminum, and stainless steel. And usually when it comes to building railings that are gonna be in a black finish, we only use steel tubing and aluminum. And the reason for this is because stainless steel is made to have a brush finish or a chrome mirror finish. And it's gonna be the most expensive out of these 3 options. Where are you gonna be using your railing? Is it gonna be indoors? If it's indoors, then usually you're gonna go with steel tubing railing. This railing is made out of steel tubing right here. See, the great thing about steel tubing is that it's easy to work with and it's very durable. It has a really solid feel to it. If your railing is indoors, steel tubing is going to be the best option. And rest assured that steel tubing indoors is going to last forever. Steel tubing does not rust indoors. There are very rare occasions where it can rust indoors, only if the moisture from the outside goes indoors, but it's very rare. So you're going to be fine with steel tubing railings indoors. So 99% of the time, steel tubing is going to be the best for indoors. Now, when it comes to outdoor railings, you're going to have 2 really good options. We're either going to do steel tubing with a galvanized or zinc finish. What the galvanizing and zinc process is that the steel tubing is chemically dipped in galvanization or in zinc. So what this is going to do, it's going to create a chemical barrier around the material at a very hot temperature, and it's going to add a protective layer to the material to prevent it from rusting. Or you could go with aluminum. The aluminum, it's a very interesting material. Aluminum does not rust, and aluminum is a bit on the lighter side. So I would say aluminum is about 25% lighter than steel tubing, depending on the gauge. It does feel a little lighter, but rest assured that it does still feel solid. So when it comes to outdoor rust-resistant railings, aluminum is going to be your best bet, especially if you live near the ocean or live in a state like Florida where it has high humidity and lots of rain. Aluminum is going to be your best bet, and second to that is going to be galvanized steel. When it comes to cost, aluminum and galvanized steel are going to be around the same range in cost. So when it comes to aluminum or steel, they're going to be right around the same cost. But one thing to note is that aluminum is just going to feel a bit lighter, but it is very durable as well. Okay, so stainless steel, there's 2 types of stainless steels. There's stainless steel 304 and stainless steel 316. And 316 is the stainless steel that is rust resistant and marine grade, okay? So if you're going to use the stainless steel outdoors, make sure to use stainless steel 316. Usually we don't make actual railings out of stainless steel 316. We do make handrails out of it, and the reason being is because stainless steel is the most expensive material out of these options. But the great thing about stainless steel is that you could do a nice brush finish, and you could also do a polished chrome mirror finish. So if you want something shiny, if you want something brushed, stainless steel would be your best option. If you're interested in handrail and railing products, make sure to check out our website at optimumrails.com below. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or send us a message. Thank you so much for watching this video.